There's one little snuggle bug. There's the rabbit. There's one kitten. There's probably another two kicking around somewhere. And my dog. Go on. Good girl. You alright? Go back and snuggle. Good girl. Hey, baby.
That was the first girl to use that language.
Hey, darling.
And now you, 12-year-old boy, it's in your culture as a cool, and you're saying that I'm not cool because I don't speak like the girl in Clueless. No, then your culture is derived from an offspring of abbreviations in a film made for little girls in 1985.
It's alright. Look. I'll let you be because I don't want you to go out in the rain.